Before we do anything, we need to organize the layers in the timeline. So to do that, first of all, let's copy Command A to select everything, all the layers in this comp, and then Command C to copy. Go back to the main comp, and Command V paste. So we're gonna paste all the layers from the storyboard 1 comp to the main comp. So the main comp is where we're gonna be animating. First of all, let's turn off the other objects except for the house. I want to go from the bottom here. So that's the background. I want to keep the background there. So I can't see what this is. This is a circle. I can turn it off. So that's the house. So we'll keep it on. Let me just jump a little bit, jump ahead. I want to find the cloud and tree. So this is a cloud. Let me rename it to cloud. So these four should all be the cloud. No? No? Okay. This is a ground. So this is a land. And that's a window. That's a window. I want to see if these are, yeah, this is a cloud, cloud, cloud. So these four are the clouds. I want to give it another color so that it's easier to find the cloud later. I can change it to red. So the clouds are, if you don't want to rename it, you can just like rename one of them and then change the color of the pre-comp. I mean, change the color of the layer so that later on you know what those are. But for now, I don't need to worry about the cloud, so I just turn it off. So that's the door. Door, window, house. I want to find the trees now. Or another way, easier way, is just to click here, click on the trees. So basically these 6 layers are the trees. I'll change it to probably like the green color, although it's not a green tree. So I'm gonna rename one of them trees. And we found the land already. So all the other layers in this color is gonna be the house layer. So that's a circle. Let's rename that circle. Change it to peach color. And this layer seems to be empty. So if I toggle on and off this eye icon and nothing shows up, it means the layer is probably empty. I can delete that layer. I don't need it for now. Okay. And here you can see the image is a little low res because over here there's a button to change the resolution. So right now it's on quarter because sometimes you have a big file, you want to put it on like a third resolution or half resolution just to speed up the preview. But for this case, I think this illustration is pretty simple enough, so we can just turn on the full resolution so everything becomes like much clearer. So all these layers are the house layers. I want to select one and then click on this, select label group. So it's going to select all the layers with the same color in the front. You know what? The last one is background layer. So I don't need the background. I probably need to change this color first. I'm going to change it to yellow. That's the background. And then name it EKG. And all the other layers are a house layer. So I'm going to click on the layer again, select label group, and then I'm going to move all these layers to the top. So all the house layers are connected now, and the other tree layers or cloud layers are all at the bottom. So these are my house layers.